Is your PS5 sounding like a jet engine about to take off or shutting down with a scary overheating warning? Don't let high temperatures fry your hardware, because I am going to show you how to cool down your console and quiet that fan right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down the 10 best advanced solutions to fix a PS5 that is overheating and running loud. Overheating usually happens because the liquid metal thermal compound has shifted or dust is clogging the airflow to the power supply. When the heat cannot escape, the fan spins at maximum speed to save the system, which causes that loud whining noise. Step 1. Clear the dust catchers. Pop off the white side plates and locate the 2 triangular holes near the fan. Use a vacuum on low power to suck out the accumulated dust directly from these ports without opening the console. Step 2. Reposition for maximum airflow. Ensure your console is at least 6 inches away from any wall. If it is sitting inside a closed cabinet, move it to an open area immediately to prevent it from breathing in its own hot exhaust. Step 3. Clean the internal fan blades. You can carefully remove the top fan intake plate without voiding your warranty. Use a microfiber cloth or a small brush to wipe away the grime that is unbalancing the blades and causing that loud vibration. Step 4. Use the vertical stand correctly. If you use the PS5 vertically without the official stand, you might be blocking the bottom air intake. Always use the stand to provide the necessary gap for cool air to enter the system. Step 5. Vacuum the power supply vents. Deep inside the console, the power supply has its own set of small holes that get clogged easily. Shine a light inside and use a can of compressed air to blow debris toward the main fan area for removal. Step 6. Check your M.2 SSD heatsink. If you recently added storage, ensure you installed a high-quality heatsink. Without one, the extra heat from the drive can bleed into the main motherboard and trigger a system-wide overheat. Step 7. Avoid carpeted surfaces. Never place your PS5 directly on a carpet or rug. The fibers act as an insulator and trap heat, while the bottom vents will pull in lint like a vacuum cleaner. Step 8. Perform a full power cycle. Completely shut down the console and unplug the power cord for 10 minutes. This allows the internal heat sinks to cool down fully and resets the fan controller logic. Step 9. Rebuild your database in safe mode. Sometimes a software glitch causes the CPU to run at 100% for no reason. Hold the power button for 2 beeps, enter safe mode, and select Rebuild Database to optimize system performance. Step 10. Clean the heatsink fins. Use a flashlight to look through the fan blades at the silver fins behind them. If they are matted with dust, use a long, thin brush to gently dislodge the buildup so air can actually pass through them. Here's a bonus pro tip. If you have had your PS5 since launch day and it still runs hot after cleaning, try laying it horizontally. This can sometimes help the liquid metal thermal compound redistribute more evenly across the processor. If you face any difficulty or your fan is still screaming after a deep clean, please comment below. I am staying active in the thread and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this guide helped you quiet your console and save your hardware, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your console is running cool, and I will see you in the next one.